Hi kids, let's practice reading with decodable sentences. What is blending? Blending is putting sounds together to make a word. For example, if you have the letters T, A, and P, blending their sounds together makes the word tap. It's like taking small pieces and joining them to form a whole word. How to blend sounds. Identify the sounds. Look at the letters and find out what sound each letter spells. For example, the letter T spells T, A spells A, and P spells P. Put the sounds together. Say the sounds clearly and close together so they start to blend. For example, say T, A, and P, one after the other, like this, TAP. Form the word. Finally, say them smoothly without pausing in between. For example, instead of saying TAP, you'll say tap as one continuous word. What sounds do these letters spell? Read the following sight words. Let's read sentences together. Mom and Sam sit. Mom and Sam sit. Mom and Sam sat on the mat. Mom and Sam sat on the mat. Sam is on the mat. Sam is on the mat. Min is on the mat. Min is on the mat. Min is not on the mat. Min is not on the mat. The pot is on the mat. The pot is on the mat. The top is not on the mat. The top is not on the mat. The top is in the pit. The top is in the pit. Sam and Min fit in the pit. Sam and Min fit in the pit. Alright kids, keep reading and learning. Visit LessonLaneStudios on Etsy at lessonlanestudio.etsy.com. See you soon.